Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So I finally mixed up some golden paints that I had bought. I had caught them half price on Jerry's Artorama, and I paid about $2 an ounce for those, and them half price. So that would be kind of expensive and pricey to me. I would never buy them if they weren't on sale. But anyway, I really, was in a quandary on how to mix these. So I had quite a bit of Liquitex Pouring Medium, and I went in and I looked, and it said that that was not supposed to crack. And I know that it gives a really defined line when you pour like a ring pour or something. And it's a little thick, and I needed something that was a little bit thick. Well, and I had just also bought some new Floetrol, and I got a gallon and strained it into my bottles like I always do. And it was a little thicker than normal, so I'm using that. And my mix for all of these is 1 part Liquitex Pouring Medium, a half of a part of Golden, and 3 to 4 parts just filling up the cup of the Floetrol. And I also have some Chroma Gold here that I wanted to throw in there with it, hopefully to lighten things up a little bit. My colors are Teal, Prussian Blue, and Dioxazine Purple. And this is an Iridescent Fine White that's also golden, and it is so absolutely gorgeous. It is such a pearly, beautiful color. So I'm going to try layering some of that and some of the gold maybe in between some of these other colors. I think I may let me get it all lined out in my brain here. Put some gold between the Prussian Blue and the Dioxazine Purple. And throw some white in there next to that maybe. I don't know. I'm just going to pour it in a cup and see what happens. I think I'm going to try a ring pour. Either that or multiple straight pours. But if I did multiple straight pours, I think I'd want like 2 different cups or 3, not just 1 cup. And I only brought 1 cup over here. So maybe I'll just try a ring pour, see what happens, and wish me luck on this one, because I'm trepidatious about using the golden and seeing how it turns out, especially with the Liquitex Pouring Medium, not golden. So we'll see how this goes. So I think I'm going to start with Prussian Blue because it's so dark. It is such a beautiful color blue. So I'm going to put a little bit of that. A little gold. Maybe a little white. Not much. These are so much thinner than I'm used to using. Some Dioxazine Purple. Some gold, some white, just a little bit, and I think some teal. Okay, and next to that teal, I'm going to go in with some gold, some more blue, just a little bit, some more gold, some purple, too much purple, some gold, some white, some teal, and this is a 9-ounce cup. I need about 7 ounces because this is a 12 by 12 that's got deep sides. So if I need some extra around the edge, I'll just maybe, I have some white or black mixed up over here, maybe I can put that around the edge to get it to move. Uh-oh, you know what I did? I ended up with the light on top, and that's going to go to the edge, and what I need is the dark on top. So I do, half the time when I do a ring pour, I do them backwards to what everybody else does. So I'm going to have the dark coming out on top because I put it in first. I hate when I mess up like that. I don't know why I get it upside down in my head, but I do that a lot. I'm going to put some more of that blue, that gold, and some more blue in. So I'm going to move those over. maybe I should just do a straight pour. Oh my, so much purple. Oh, I messed that up. Whew, terribly. I'm getting down to some dark, so I'm going to put this around the edge. Looks like I'm getting all kinds of cells. I didn't expect that. All right, I'm going to take, oh, these colors are beautiful. I'm going to try to straighten out this middle just a little bit, because that's really bugging me. So, I know this is going to move faster than I'm used to. That gold in there is really shiny. Hope that lights it up some. And that iridescent white is lighting it up too, I can tell, up next to that purple, especially right up in here. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I know now why everybody uses these that can. Make sure I have all these edges covered. Okay, going to center that better. I know I have lights just reflecting everywhere probably for you all. This turned out absolutely beautiful, just beautiful. If you like a ring pour, wow. This came out awesome. So I will be doing some big canvases, hopefully, with some of this golden. I'll have to see how this dries and whether or not the edges all end up turning white and all that kind of stuff. That was why I was basically testing it on this one, because I had no idea if my paint was going to be too thin. And there's not a lot of ways to thicken this up with it being as thin as it is of product that I have. And I really didn't want to have to go out and buy a bunch of new products. So I'm going to check all my edges, but I'm going to give you all a close-up. Oh, this gold right in here is beautiful. That up, especially up against that purple. The purple up against the teal is so gorgeous. I'm just in love with this. I can't wait to show it to you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to invite you to come back, spend a little time with me again, and let me know what you think when you see this. Make comments and share it. I would appreciate that. So thank you so much. I'll take the camera down now and give you a close-up. So this is how it looks on my side, looking down on it. I'm going to try to keep that reflection from the light off of it. This is so beautiful. The colors are so rich, just gorgeous colors. And the shine is there from the gold and from the iridescent white. So that is coming out so pretty here. I'm just amazed. But I knew there would be rich tones, and to me these are like jewel tones, like a deep, rich jewel tone. But that white is going to light up that center, I think. Hopefully when it dries, it'll dry okay. Now I've been around and patched on my edges a little bit, and you can tell how that corner is wanting to show. And pretty much the same over here, it's wanting to show. But I've done the best I can. I don't want to mess up the sides because this one doesn't have to be framed. So thank you so much for watching, and it'll be dry at the end of the video and at the beginning. So thanks again.